Okay, Lemula, Diashri.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Fine, we'll solve few questions in linear inequation, then we'll discuss.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, Tanishka. So, Naomi, did you send your answer sheet? Naomi, Mariana.
Yes, sir, I sent my answer sheet.
Okay, Lemula, is Lemula online? Can you unmute the call, Lemula?
Sir, I sent, sir. So, yes.
Okay, all of you have sent. Joanna, Mariana, Tanishka. Who's absent? Diashri, Anya, Cherisha, Adya, is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, give me a minute, we'll start. Okay, we'll start with this. We'll solve few questions from India. Can you all see the screen, all of you? Okay, rejoin. Solve few questions. Then later we'll start. I'll solve the test paper. Okay, now can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay, look at the students. Types of numbers. What are the four types of numbers here? We studied whole numbers, integers, natural number, then real number.
Real numbers.
Real numbers. Okay, there are two different ways to plot graph. Not graph, number line, to draw a number line. Remember this win, that is for whole numbers, integers, natural number. For whole number, integer, natural number. Where does x lie, students? What is the value given here? X lies between -1, -2, -3. Where does x lie? X lies between -1 and less than equal to -3. So x lies between -1 and is it equal to -1 or less than -1? Equal to, right? Less than equal to -1. Or how do you write this equation? Let us take this equation. -1 less than equal to x. How do you write in terms of x? If I want x on the left hand side, which side is this pointing? Arrow pointing towards -1. So x is greater than equal to -1 and x is less than equal to 3. So what are the values I have to plot? Can you tell me the numbers? What are the solution set? What is the solution set for this? What are the values, students? Solution set -1, 0,
1, 2,
and 3.
3, sir.
Why you don't know how to find the solution set? Nobody is answering. Keep your videos on, students. All of you turn on the videos. If the videos are on, you all are answering. Well, quickly turn on the cameras.
Sir, can I on it after 5 minutes? Sir, my dad is charging, sir.
Find the issue. Yes, be quick. Tanishka, Naomi, only Lemula's turned it on. Joanna, Ivania, Ariana. Okay, how do you plot these values on number line? For all numbers, integers and natural numbers, you keep a dot. Right? We keep a dot. So what are the answers, students? What is solution set? On -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. This is what we were solving. This is how we were doing till now. That is for all numbers, integers, and natural number. For WIN, you do it like this. You keep dots. But for real number, it is different. Same question for real number. we plot it in a different way. We draw number line in a different way. Look like this. You mark it in different way. 1, 3, 4, -1, -2, 3. Here, same answer. X lies between -1 and 3. So from minus 1 to up to 3, you have to draw a line like this. This is only for real numbers. We don't keep points. We draw a line like this. This is how you plot it for real numbers. You draw a number line. You draw entire line. We don't keep any dot. Now, -1. Is it equal to, my x is equal to -1 or less than -1? I mean equal to or greater than. How do you convert this? X is greater than -1. And it is equal, right? Greater than and equal. So whenever it is greater than equal, you have to keep a dot here in the first, and less than equal to -3. If it is less than equal to on 3, a dot on 3. This is how you plot for real numbers. You connect from 1 to 3, and if equal to symbol is given, you keep a solid dot like this. Darken. It should be like this. Is it clear? Did you understand this? Yeah, make a note of this.
Yes.
Okay, now for this question, what is the solution set? Tell me the solution set, students. Rewrite this equation. Oh, I want x on the left hand side. So x is, which side is the arrow? Greater than -1, right? Greater than -1. So x lies between -1. What are the values greater than -1? 0, 1, 2, 3. See, greater than, or you can see the arrow. Arrow is pointing towards right hand side. X, right hand side. So after -1, everything on the right hand side. If you rewrite like this, you'll understand. X is greater than -1. Okay. So what are the values? Can you tell me the solution set? 0, 1, and less than 3. What do you mean by less than 3? Only till 2. 0, 1, and 2. So how many points I have to plot? Naomi, Joanna, did you all understand this? What are your students doing?
Yes, sir.
So how many values are there? How do you plot for this question? When the type of number is given as whole number, integer, and natural number, what's the answer? On 0, you keep a point, on 1 and on 2. Fine. Is it clear? Did you understand? Till now we were doing this, students, for real number. Now for real number, same question. -1 less than x less than 3. For real number, what we do is 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2. What do we usually do for real numbers? You keep dot or line? Do we draw a line or you dot? For real numbers, for R, you have to draw a line, right? You have to draw a line. From where to, from which point to which point, student? Look here, -1 to 3. You have to draw a line from -1 up to 3. From -1 up to 3. But is it equal to -1? Is x is equal to -1 or greater than -1? Greater. So you don't keep a point like this. We don't keep point. We don't keep darkened circle. We keep a hollow circle. On -1, you draw hollow circle, which means it is greater than -1. It is not equal to -1, greater. Even on 3, you keep a hollow circle like this. You draw a hollow circle. This you call it as hollow circle. This is the difference for whole numbers, integer, natural numbers. To remember, I have written it. You remember the word win only for WIN, win. Whole numbers, integers, natural number. For real number, this is the answer. These two things. Look at the dots. Compare the dots. One is darkened, one is full solid dot, and one more is, look at this, hollow. That's it. Entire concept is done. We have to just solve the questions and plot it. Concepts are done. Mariana, Naomi, Lemulo, did you all understand? Do you all have any doubts?
Yes. I understood. No doubts.
Okay, so only for this, students, remember the word WIN. Whenever x belongs to win, whole number, integer, natural numbers, you keep a dot. If it is equal to, you keep a dot on that. If it is not equal to, you skip that number. But when it comes to real number, you draw a line. And there are two types. One is full solid black like this, darkened dot. One more is hollow. When it's not equal to, we draw hollow dot, hollow circles. Shall we start solving questions? Which question we have to start, students? Till which one we have solved? 6th and 9th. Why have I marked this? Was this given for? Okay, was this given for homework? 6th and 9th? Or
Yes, it's there.
okay, I forgot when. 6th. Okay, you have to start from 10th one. 2x plus 3 is less than equal to 3x plus 1. And what kind of number is this? X belongs to what kind of number?
Real number.
Real number. For real number, do you keep dots or we draw line? You're supposed to draw line.
A line.
Okay, first solve this question. Find the value of x, all of you. So 2x, 3x goes to the other side, minus 3x, 1, plus 3 goes to the other side, minus 3. After this, what's the next step? Minus 1x less than equal to minus 2. Now, we have to divide this minus 1. So, will the sign change or remain as it is? If you divide minus 1.
It changes.
Yes, less than equal to will become greater than. Always write the variable on the left hand side, students. Try to bring the variable x on left hand side. X is greater than equal to, minus and minus gets cancelled. What's the final answer? X is greater than equal to 2. And real number is given. Till here, did you all complete? Did you all get, all of you got minus
Yes, sir.
greater than equal to 2? Look here, I'll show you how to plot. So just for reference, we'll take two negative numbers. Two negative number is enough. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll take 4 positive. Now x is greater than 2. If it was not real number, if it was whole numbers, integer, natural numbers, what's the answer for this? Whole number, integers, natural. X is greater than equal to 2. We would have kept dot on 2, 3, 4, right? Then is it continuous or what? It's a continuous value greater than equal to. So what we would have done, students, if it is continuous, what we would have done? Remaining dots we would have kept it top of the number line. This is how usually we plot for whole numbers, integers, natural number. Whole number, integer, natural number has only dots. Remember this, no line, no continuous line, only dots. So x is greater than equal to 2, which means infinite numbers. They are not finite, infinite. That's the reason you keep 3 dots. Now, for natural numbers, you draw dot line. For natural numbers, 2, 3, 4. Okay. See, what is the value given? X is greater than equal to 2. Start from 2. Is it, have they given any end here? Is it finite or infinite value? X is greater than 2. It goes on, right? It goes on. So draw a line to like this, red line. Instead of dots, you draw a red line. Now, is x is greater than equal to 2 or just greater than 2? It's equal, right?
X is greater than
And equal. See, whenever x is equal to, whenever equal to is also given, you have to draw solid black, full black dot. This is the final answer, full black. Like this. Which means it starts from 2. Value starts from 2, and this red line, the entire red line indicates it's an infinite number. It's an infinite number. This is the final answer. Okay, what if only this is given, x? If you get the answer x is greater than 2. Now what kind of dot do we draw? Solid dot, I mean full dot, I mean full dark and black, or hollow circle? What kind of circle do we draw? If it is only greater than 2, you draw a hollow circle. If it's only greater than 2, it is not equal to 2. It is greater, therefore hollow. Hollow circle indicates the value doesn't start from 2, it starts from 3, 4, 5, it goes on. That's the meaning of hollow circle. Okay, for this it is full solid black. Or you call it as a darkened circle. So this is the final answer. All of you understood the difference between real number, whole number, integer and natural number, how to draw number line?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me know if you have any doubts, students. No? Okay. Fine. The same question, I just write even for WIN. Instead of natural number, what if they would have given integer, whole number or natural number? X belongs to whole number. X belongs to integer. Natural, X belongs to natural number. Whole number, integer, natural number. For that, the answer would have been, you draw a straight line greater than equal to 2. Okay, for this, if it was whole number, integer, natural number greater than equal to 2, we just keep a dots like this 2, 3, and it is infinite. There is no limit given. The remaining dots you can place it on top like this. Fine, there is no limit set. Don't have any limit. This is how we do it. If it is real number, you draw a straight line. Okay, try the next question, all of you. 10th one is done. 11th question. Try the 11th one, students. Same. R. R stands for real number. So for real number, it should be straight line. Naomi, how do you solve this question?
Sir,
How do you solve this question?
so 2 gets multiplied with 5x minus 8,
Okay.
3 gets multiplied with 4x minus 7.
Fine. Denominators, there is only one denominator. Don't need to take LCM. You have to cross multiply, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. What kind of numbers are we cross multiplying? Naomi, what kind of numbers are these? Positive or negative numbers?
So we cross with positive numbers.
So therefore the sign will remain as it is. Inequality sign will not change. If it was negative, the value would have changed, students. Remember that the value will change.
Sir, we are going to test it.
Okay, explain after this, Mariana. After this, what do you do?
So, next minus 12x
Be quick. Be quick. Greater than equal to minus 21.
plus 60
Next.
minus 2
Sorry, minus 2x.
minus 2 is greater than equal to minus 5.
Minus 5. So you have to divide it. We are dividing the negative value, right? Greater than equal to become.
Plus
So what's the value of x? X is, we need decimal value, students. We don't need fraction. Remember, we don't need fraction. It should either be whole number or decimal. Yes, tell me. Less than equal to 2.5. How do you plot this? Less than equal to 2.5. Real number. Real number. It's a real number. Therefore, we don't keep dot, students. We drop line. You draw a line. Okay, Mariana, 2.5 lies between which two values?
1.
Hmm? 2 and 3. When it comes to real number, it can be even negative. Real number is nothing but it can have positive numbers and negative numbers. Okay, so real numbers are, all the numbers are real numbers, students. You can draw even negative values for that. So let me write 0, 1, 2, 3. All of you got the same answer, 2.5.
Yes, sir.
2.5. Okay, stop doing, look at the screen. I'll ask you a few questions. So 2.5 lies between 2 and 3, students. Where will you start the line? From where will you start the line? On 2, 3 or in between 2 and 3? In between 2 and 3. In between 2 and 3. And is equal to sign is given. What's the meaning of this? X is less than 2.5 and X is equals to 2.5. So what kind of dot will you draw? A darkened circle or a hollow circle? A darkened circle, because is equal to is given. Look at, start with the darkened circle like this. It should be small. Just for teaching purpose, I'm drawing it bit big. It should be small. Then 2.5 less than in the sense you can draw a line up to 2 or minus 3 and like this till the end. Why have I drawn the line till the end? What's the reason? Why, student? What's the reason? They haven't given any limit. For example, minus 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 2.5. If they would have set limit like this, if they have set limit, I would have stopped only till minus 1. But in actual question, the answer is infinite value, less than equal to 2.5, infinite. This is the answer. You can draw up to 3 or you can just draw up to 2. Even up to 2 it's fine. Minus 2. So let me draw. See, the answer is this pink line, pink one, and like this dot. Up to minus 2 it's enough. Minus 2 or minus 3. Just for reference, you will draw negative. Okay, next. Completed, all of you are done? Done with this?
Yes, sir.
Did you all draw the line? Okay, look here. In equation, students, you might get questions like this. Drawing number line is easy. Number line, and to solve it is easy, but the tricky part is if they give negative values. Look here, if they give the question like this, 5x minus 8 divided by minus 3 greater than equal to 4x by 7 divided by 2. Okay, now how do you shift the values? See, 2 goes here, 2 gets multiplied. All of you look at the screen, 2 gets multiplied. 2 into 5x minus 8. What are we multiplying? 2 is positive or negative number? Positive. Will the sign change or remain the same? Sign will remain the same, right? Sign will remain the same. Now, which number do you multiply the other side? What's the other number you multiply? Minus. So if you are sending minus 3, then what will happen to the sign, students? Greater than equal to will become less than equal to. Minus 3, 4x by minus 7. You'll get 10x minus 16 less than equal to minus 3 into 4x is minus 12x. Then minus into minus. Minus into minus is plus 21. Look at the difference. You might get questions. In the denominator, you might have minus. So you cross check, you interchange the value like this. Fine? Like this. Next. If there is only one minus, students, if there is only one minus, you can do it like this. Now, what if both has minus? If both have minus like this. Now, can you tell me how do you solve this question? Lemula, how do you solve this question? When both are minus, first let me shift minus to the other side. What do you get?
Plus.
How can minus become plus?
Minus 5x. So it is
Minus 2 goes to the other side.
minus 2 5x.
Minus 8. What happens to this symbol? What happens to symbol?
Changes.
It changes to less than equal to. Now again, which one you have to shift that side? Which value?
Minus 3.
Okay, minus 3. If you shift minus 3, this sign will change, right?
Yes.
Sign will change. That is one way, students. Sign will change. If not, you can do the other ways. Once you bring minus 2 and 3, you can just cancel out this minus and minus. Now what do you get? 2 into 5x minus 8. Then if 3 goes that side, will the sign change or remain the same? It will remain the same because 3 has become positive now. Minus and minus is cancelled. 3 has become positive. The sign will remain same. 4x minus 7. This is how you solve it. If there is negative value, do it like this. Lemula, which question did we solve? Which question did we complete now? 11th one. We have to start the 12th one. Look, 12th one. Yeah. 12th one, 13th, 14 students. 12, 13, 14 for homework. Try the 15th question. All of you complete the 15th and 16th. Two questions, 15 and 16. Minus 1 less than 3 plus 4x. Okay. From 12th onwards, it's different. I'll solve this question. From 12th, it is different. Let me do it. Okay, stop writing. Look at the screen. From 12th, it is totally different. 3x, 2x minus 1 less than x plus 4. What's the difference, students, from 1 to 11 and from 12th onwards? Just go through the question. What is the difference? Are they same type of question or different?
Questions that was one on the aesthetics.
Yes. From 1 to 11, how many inequality signs were there from 1 to 11?
One.
Only one. From 12 onwards, how many inequality signs? Two. Yeah, there are two inequalities. Okay, so how many inequality signs are there? We have two inequality signs, right? Look, therefore, this becomes one question. This is one question. This is one question, and the yellow one is the other question. How many equations do we have? If there are two inequality signs, we'll have two equations. X belongs to integer. X plus 4, x belongs to integer. Look, x plus 4, comma, x belongs to integer. For integer, you keep dot, students. We use dots. Now there are two questions. Separate the questions like this. Up to one equality sign is one question, then 2x minus 1 less than x plus 4. Solve both the equations. If you solve this, you'll get limit. You'll get two values. Don't draw number line, students. Just complete these two equations and let me know what's the answer you'll get. Lemula, can you explain the next one? Next equation. Okay, completed. Completed. Lemula, second one. Yeah, explain. How do you solve this? 2x.
2x, 2x minus
After that,
x, the
Talk a bit loud, Lemula. 2x minus x less than 4 plus
minus 4 plus minus
4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is
plus
5 or 3?
5.
5. Here what do you get? Here what do you get? 2x minus x. Yes, x. 1x or x is less than 5. Right?
5.
Okay.
Yes.
All of you all got the same values. X is less than 5 and minus 1. X is greater than minus 1. Look, these are the two answers, student. These are the two answers. How do you merge them? How do you merge? What's the final answer? Minus 1 less than x less than 5. Look, this is how you merge the equation. This is the final equation. Minus 1 less than x. X is less than 5. From the second equation, x is less than 5. This you have to plot it on number line. And what kind of number is this, Lemula? Is it integer, whole number, real number?
So,
What kind of number? What is the type of number they have given in the question? X belongs to? X belongs to what kind of number? Look at the question. Don't give me some random answer. There's a lot of disturbance in your voice. Integer, right? X belongs to integer. They have clearly given in the question. X belongs to integer. Now, this is the equation, Lemula. This is the equation we have. Minus 1 less than x less than 5. Or this is final equation given. Or you can just take the answers. What are the two answers we got, Lemula? What are the two answers? Minus 1 less than 1 minute, 1 minute. Minus 1 less than x. In minus 1 less than x, I want x on the left hand side. So what will be the answer if you want to rewrite? X. Correct. Because it is pointing towards, arrow is pointing towards minus 1, right? Yeah, so x is greater than minus 1. What are the numbers which are greater than minus 1? Okay, and x is less than 5. So till what number I have to keep dots? Till 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. This is the correct answer. 3 marks question. All of you understood how to solve this when there are two equations given? Naomi, Mariana, Diyashri,
understood.
is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, when two equations are given, this is how you do it. You'll have two answers, two limits given. X is greater than 1, so it is 0. X is less than 5, only up to 4. And x belongs to integer. Look at top, x belongs to integer. Now I'll change the question, students. What if you get x belongs to real number? For real number, do we keep dots or do we draw line? We draw a line.
We draw it.
Yes. And how do you draw a line? Same like this. Look at draw a line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2. And they have given minus 1. Is it equal to or greater than minus 1? Is equal to symbol given here. X is no, right? So what kind of circle do we draw? Darken circle or hollow circle? Draw? No, hollow circle. If not equal, yes. If not equal is given, lemula, we draw hollow circle. Hollow is this one. Can you see? Yeah, O. It is like O, 0. From there, less than 5. See, draw up to 5. Draw up to 5. Less than meaning is you have to draw up to 5. Now on number 5, what kind of circle should I draw on number 5? Darken circle or hollow circle? Is equal to given here? Is equal to given or only less than? Only less than, right? Is equal to is not given. So again a hollow circle. This is the final answer. Look, I have taken both the values. For real numbers, you have to consider both. Up to minus 1 and 5. But it depends. If it's not equal to, you draw all a circle. Okay, this is how you draw for real numbers. So concept is done and different questions I've covered. Two equations are also done. Maximum you'll get only two equations. Two equations. Okay, complete this. Draw the number line for integer. We'll try the next one. Yeah, be quick, students. I'll take
Excuse me, sir.
only one or yes.
Sir, can I be back in a minute, sir?
Fine, dear.
Yes.
X is less than 1. So we keep a dot. Okay, completed. Shall we try the next one? 12th is done. Is students done or you're still solving the 12th one?
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, now 13th, 14th, I'll give it for homework. 13th and 13, 14, 15. Three questions for homework. 16th question. All of you will try the 16th one. Minus 2 less than equal to 1 by 2. Minus 2x by 3 less than. 16th question. Minus 2 less than equal to 2. 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 less than 1 5 by 6. How do you write 1 5 by 6, students? X belongs to integer. Okay, even this is integer. 1 minute. Integer. No. Try the 15th one. Try 15th. Stop doing the 16th one. Try the 15th question, all of you. Rational, real number question. 15th one. Minus 1 less than 3. 4x less than 23. X belongs to real number. Okay, Joanna, can you explain this? How many questions are given here? How many inequality signs?
So,
Two inequalities. So how do you split this? Tell me those two questions.
minus minus 1 is less than equal to 3 plus 4x.
Plus 4x. Until the next equation, until the next inequality sign is one question. Next, what's the second question?
The second question is plus lesser than 23.
Second question. How will you frame second question?
Oh, sorry, sir. So 4x.
No. Before the next one. Till where is the second question, Joanna? You're not concentrating. Can you see two signs given? So how do you frame the second question? You take 4x or 3 plus 4x? We
So
take 3 plus 4x less than 23. See, this is how you write the equation, students. Just check once. Don't blindly take some values. As you always take some values and solve it. You'll get 0.
Sir, I can't see your screen
Rejoin.
properly, sir.
Yeah, rejoin, Joanna. Rejoin the meeting.
Yes.
What about others? Is this the way you'll split the question? Naomi, Mariana, Tanushka, Ivania. Okay, what is Lamula doing? Lamula, Ivania left the meeting. Tanushka, Diyashri.
Yes.
Okay, all of you, this is 15th one, students, right? 15th, 13, 14, 16 for homework. And remember, if you don't complete homework, I won't let you all in. Tomorrow, you can attend live class. 13, 14, 16. 3 questions for homework. Yes, all of you will make a note of this. 13, 14, 16. This is the last question. Today it's only for 1 hour. Try this last question. Yes, Joanna, can you explain how do you solve this, Joanna? Be quick. The first equation.
So the first equation we get minus 1 minus 3 is less than or equal to 4x. We get minus 4 is less than or equal to 4x.
Okay.
And we get x is equal to x is equal
No.
to
Keep x on the right hand side. Keep x on the right hand side. Where is x? Left hand side or right hand side?
Right hand side.
Okay, keep it on right. Shift this down. So what you get? Minus 1 is less than equal to?
Then equal to x.
Okay, second equation.
For the second one, we get 4x is lesser than 23 minus 3, sir. So 4x is lesser than 20.
Okay. X is less than 20 by?
20 by 4, and you get 5, sir. X
5. So what's
lesser than 5?
5. What's the entire equation? Okay. Excuse me. Yes, Lamilo. Yeah, tell me, Lamilo. Can't see the screen. This Friday I'll give you. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Again next week, only on Fridays. Okay, or when do you need holidays? What had started?
Holy Week, sir.
Holy. Okay, Easter. When is your festival, Lamila?
Sir, it falls on Sunday.
Sunday. What's the date today? 14th.
Friday.
This Friday there is Good Friday, right? Something like that.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give holiday students. You all can take. Wait, let me check the calendar. Okay, so 20th. Sunday is on 20th is Easter festival.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday I'll give. By 17th, I think we can complete this chapter. Any one test is done. 17th, I'll give holiday. And Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'll give holiday. 3 days. But Saturday, I'll give you all one test paper. All 4 chapters together. Is it clear? Yes? Yeah, tell me, Joanna. Joanna, or who had called?
Evening, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, it's a holiday from Thursday.
From Thursday? Why, Joanna? Thursday? What is there?
Sir, even Thursday, we have to go to church, sir.
Even on Thursday. When is it? Morning or evening?
Evening, sir.
Evening only, right? Afternoon, 1 hour you can't attend? Why, Joanna, 12 o'clock is the class. Because.
Sir, I'll be going out, sir.
Okay, wait, let me see. 18th, 19th. Anyway, 20th is Sunday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Today, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, if you want even on 17th, Thursday. Okay, I'll do one thing, Joanna, because see, if I give 3 days, it's too long. If you want, you take 17th. Anyway, we'll be doing the same chapter. Okay, so no problem. Whoever wants, see students, I'll be giving on 18th, 19th, and 20th. Anyway, Sunday holiday as usual. 18th, 19th, and 20th. On 20th, I'll send you the test paper. Sunday is Easter, you can't do. At least Saturday, you'll try the test. All 4 chapters I'll give you all. That is, what are the 4 chapters you'll have? Banking, GST, this one, linear inequation, and probability. Okay, if not, I'll skip GST. GST I'll give next week. Shall I give these 3 chapters? Banking, probability, linear inequation for test?
Yes.
Yeah, so that you don't have to study. Yeah, anyway, Friday you'll have festival. So you don't have to study. Banking, linear inequation, probability is easy. Even without preparation, you can try this. The reason is if I give continuous holidays, you will forget the topic. So Saturday I'll conduct a test, these 3. And today, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, by Wednesday, how many questions are left? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. By Wednesday, I'll complete it. Wednesday, maximum Thursday. So whoever wants on Thursday, you can take leave, students. I'll send the recording, you all can watch that. Okay, Thursday I'll conduct class. Class will be from 12 to 1. If you want, you'll take holiday. Same concept. All these questions are easy. If you all want to attend the class, if not, I'll send the recording. So these 3 days I'll give holiday. There won't be class, but Saturday it will be offline test. Complete the test and send. Same time, Mariana. Every day it's at 12, right?
No.
You're not aware of the class timings? Every day it's at 12. No, Thursday. The reason is I have to even correct your test paper and solve those answers. So we have another 4 days. This would take another 2 days. Mostly tomorrow or by Wednesday I can complete. And in between one day I need to I need for solving that answers. Okay, fine. Take holiday from Friday, and if you want even Thursday, you can take leave. I'll send the recording. You can just go through. Okay, try this. What's the last one? Yeah, who was answering this? What's the equation put together? We have two questions.
-1 x
Okay.
is less than 5.
Yeah, the final equation is -1 less than equal to x, and that is less than 5. Okay, real number, you need a line, students. You need a line 0, 1, 2. Okay, draw the number line, complete this question, we'll end the class. Okay, look at -1. Consider a line from -1 and up to 5. From -1 up to 5. Now on -1, students, -1 is equal to sign is given. -1 is equal to, so which dot should I draw here? Darkened dot or the hollow one? I have to draw a darkened one. And for less than 5, which dot? Hollow circle. I have to draw a hollow circle. Like this, hollow. Okay, complete 13, 14, 15. We'll try to complete this by tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, I'll discuss the answers. I'll correct your test paper. All of you will completed? -1 less than x less than 5. So look at the limits. These are the numbers. X belongs to these values. Thirteen, 14, 16. Make a note of this, students. 13, 14, 16 for homework. 13, 14, 16. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Complete. Okay, how many questions you'll have in this chapter? How many questions? Did ma'am start? Did you? No, right? Okay, so we'll up to 30. We'll do up to 30. Fine, that's it for today. Y'all can leave, students. Log in tomorrow at 12. Y'all can leave. Yes, dear. Okay. Yes, Dia stay online. Others can leave. That's it for